Are you fed up with diets that leave you starving, cranky, and stuck at the same weight? What if I told you there's a way to shed pounds quickly while enjoying hearty, delicious meals that keep you full? Welcome to the Carnivore Keto diet, a game changer for weight loss. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple, beginner-friendly 7-day meal plan that's designed to kickstart your fat-burning journey. Stick with me, because this plan is going to make weight loss feel easier and tastier than ever before. Let's be real, trying to lose weight can feel like a never-ending struggle. You've probably tried every diet under the sun. Low-calorie plans that left you hungry, point-counting systems that felt like a math exam, or even standard keto, which promised results but didn't quite deliver. The scale refuses to budge. Your energy tanks, and those pesky cravings keep dragging you back to the snack drawer. Does that sound like your story? If it does, you're not alone, and you're definitely not stuck. The Carnivore Keto diet could be the breakthrough you've been searching for. This zero-carb, meat-focused approach is all about burning fat fast, keeping you satisfied, and simplifying your meals to the core. No complicated recipes, no endless grocery lists, just pure, protein-packed goodness. And the best part? You don't need to be a diet expert to get started. I've put together a 7-day meal plan that's perfect for beginners. Easy to follow, and designed to help you start seeing results in just 1 week. Let's dive in and get you on the path to a healthier, lighter you. Here's the plan. For the next 7 days, you'll be eating high-fat, high-protein meals made entirely from animal-based foods. That means no veggies, no carbs, no sugars, just meat, eggs, fish, and a few dairy staples to keep things exciting. Each day, I'll give you 3 meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, that are simple to prepare, packed with flavor, and built to keep you in fat-burning ketosis. Whether you're new to Carnivore Keto or just looking for a fresh start, this plan is your roadmap to success. Ready to transform your meals and your body? Let's jump into day 1. For day 1, we're starting strong with a lineup that's all about simplicity and satisfaction. For breakfast, whip up 2 fried eggs cooked in a generous pat of butter and pair them with 3 crispy strips of bacon. This combo is rich, savory, and fills you up for hours. For lunch, treat yourself to an 8-ounce grilled ribeye steak, seasoned with just a sprinkle of salt to let the natural flavors shine. And for dinner, bake a 6-ounce salmon fillet with a dollop of butter melted over the top. These meals are designed to ease you into Carnivore Keto while keeping your taste buds happy and your body fueled. On day 2, we're ramping up the fat to deepen your ketosis. Start your morning with 3 scrambled eggs mixed with 2 ounces of cream cheese for a creamy, indulgent breakfast that feels like a treat. For lunch, grab some pork chops, about 8 ounces, and pan-fry them in lard for a juicy, golden finish. Dinner is 2 skin-on chicken thighs, roasted in the oven with a smear of butter to keep them moist and flavorful. The key here is to lean into fatty cuts of meat and dairy to stay full and energized without any carbs sneaking in. Day 3 brings a little variety with some seafood and nutrient-packed options. For breakfast, pop open a 4-ounce can of sardines packed in olive oil. They're quick, convenient, and loaded with healthy fats. Lunch is 6 ounces of grilled shrimp, dipped in melted butter for a restaurant-worthy meal you can make at home. For dinner, try something bold. 4 ounces of beef liver, pan-fried in bacon fat for a rich, savory dish that's as nutritious as it is delicious. If you're new to organ meats, don't worry, liver is a powerhouse of vitamins, and the bacon fat makes it taste amazing. By day 4, you're in the groove, so let's keep it hearty. Breakfast is 4 strips of bacon alongside 2 boiled eggs, simple, satisfying, and perfect for a busy morning. For lunch, make an 8-ounce ground beef patty and top it with a slice of full-fat cheddar cheese for a burger-like experience without the bun. Dinner is a 6-ounce portion of pork belly, slow-cooked until it's crispy on the outside and tender inside. Pork belly is a carnivore favorite because it's so rich and flavorful. It feels like a cheat meal, but it's 100% on plan. Day 5 is all about keeping things simple yet delicious. Start with 6 ounces of beef sausage links for breakfast. Look for ones without added sugars or fillers. For lunch, roast up 8 ounces of lamb chops. seasoned lightly with salt, for a meal that feels fancy but takes minimal effort. Dinner is 6 grilled chicken wings, tossed in a buttery sauce for a finger-licking finish. Mixing up different meats like this keeps your meals exciting while ensuring you stay in that fat-burning zone. On day 6, let's go bold with some standout flavors. For breakfast, fry 3 eggs and pair them with 2 ounces of smoked salmon. The smoky, salty combo is pure heaven. Lunch is an 8-ounce portion of beef brisket, slow cooked in its own fat until it's melt in your mouth tender. For dinner, bake 6 ounces of pork ribs with a salt crust to lock in the juices and boost the flavor. Don't skimp on the salt here. It's not just for taste. It helps replace the electrolytes you might lose when cutting carbs. Finally, day 7 is your chance to finish strong and celebrate your progress. Kick off with a 2-egg omelet stuffed with 1 ounce of cheddar cheese and a sprinkle of bacon bits for a breakfast that's both cozy and satisfying. For lunch, grill an 8-ounce sirloin steak and drizzle it with melted butter for a classic carnivore meal. Wrap up the week with 6 ounces of baked cod, topped with a creamy butter sauce that ties everything together. By the end of this day, you'll likely feel lighter, more energized, and motivated to keep going. To make this plan a success, here are a few extra tips to set you up for victory. First, drink plenty of water throughout the day and add a pinch of salt to your meals to stay hydrated and balanced. Second, always choose fatty cuts of meat. They're the secret to staying full and keeping your energy steady. Third, track your progress, whether it's with a journal, a scale, or even just noting how your clothes fit. And if you feel a bit sluggish, consider adding electrolytes like potassium or magnesium. But check with your doctor first to make sure it's right for you. These small steps can make a big difference in how you feel and how quickly you see results. So, what do you think? Feeling inspired to give Carnivore Keto a try? If this 7-day meal plan has you excited to start your weight loss journey, hit that subscribe button to join our Health Secrets community for more tips, tricks, and meal ideas. Drop a comment below and let me know which day you're most excited to try. Or share your own Carnivore Keto favorites. Let's make health and happiness a priority together. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder. The information in this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult a doctor or healthcare professional for personalized medical advice tailored to your unique health needs.